And you say, but I pray and I pray and I pray. Well, then you must be praying, like they said, amiss. And praying amiss is really very, very easy to do because all you have to do is complain about everything you don't like. But remember, all things produce after their own kind.
We look at our life and we say it's terrible. But the reason why we say that is because we've been preconditioned to believe that it's so. And you will often give them the cure, the prescription, and you say, think on what's lovely and of a good report.
That's right. I mean, why would it tell you to think only on things that are lovely and of good report? Why? And then tell you that as you think you are, and that you're thinking all the time, and that you're feeding the monsters you can't handle. And then you run off to God and say, help me, help me, help me. And he says, I gave you all the help you need. You get to choose this day. If that's what you chose, suffer it. See, but he doesn't think that way. I think that way. I'd lock you up.